Welcome children. Construction for class 9th, exercise 11.2. Let's discuss question number 1 of construction. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 cm, angle B is 75 degree and AB plus AC is 13 cm. If we will make a rough figure of this, then the side which is given, let me take it as base. So this is BC. Angle B is 75 degree. So here we will have our A. Now it is given AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Means we are given one side, angle on that side, and remaining two sides sum is given. So let me discuss this construction. First of all, we have to draw the line whose length is given. That is BC is given 7 centimeter. So first of all, with the help of scale, let me draw a line of 7 centimeter. So we have taken a line BC that is 7 centimeter. Now we are being given that angle B is of 75 degree. We know that 75 degree can be obtained by bisecting 60 degree and 90 degree, the arc between 60 degree and 90 degree. So let me do that. First of all, with where our compass keeping at B, where the angle is to be made, we have drawn a semicircle. Then first cut, second cut, this up from here, this up from there. Now we have taken a cut for 90 degree. Now let me join it by a very sharp line because we don't require this in the construction later on. So let me draw it by sharp line. Now for making the 75 degree, we will bisect between 60 degree and 90 degree. So this is the arc for 60 degree. So and this is the arc for 90 degree. So we will take more than half of this arc. So more than half, it is more than half. So one cut from 60 degree arc, one cut from 90 degree arc. So we got a cut. Now we are going to make the angle of 75 degree on this line. This is the cut for 75 degree. We have cut it. Now this is 75 degree we have cut it. We can extend it further. Now suppose this arm of 75 degree we have written here at X. Now our next work is, we are given that the sum of remaining two sides AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Now we will open our compass 13 centimeter. We have taken this 13 centimeter opening. We have opened 13 centimeter. Now keeping our compass at point B, we will cut an arc of 13 centimeter on this BX. We have cut an arc of 13 centimeter on BX. Now let me join this point. Suppose this point is D. Let me join this point with point C. We have joined it. So we get a line DC. Now our next work is to make the perpendicular bisector of this line DC. And we know that how to make the perpendicular bisector. We take more than half of the given line whose perpendicular bisector has to be constructed. So we have taken more than half. So this is more than half, you can see. So keeping at D, one arc this side, one arc this side. Then keeping at D, this point, we will cut the previous arc made like this, and it is coming somewhere here. So let me start our arc from C again. So it will come this side and this. So we have obtained the arcs. Now let me join them. This is the perpendicular bisector we have obtained. Now we are watching this perpendicular bisector is intersecting BX at a point, and that point will be the third vertex of the triangle, this point, and we will name it as A. So this is A. Point A is here, and we will join this point A to C. This we have joined. So you are watching, we have obtained a triangle. Let me darken it a little bit. We have obtained a triangle ABC. So this is the required triangle which we have to construct here. So you can see this is the required triangle. Now if you will measure the length of AB plus AC, it will come surely 13 centimeter. Let me check it now. Now AC is coming near about 7.5 and this is coming near about 5.5. So 7.5 and 5.5 is 13 centimeter. Now sometimes a question comes that is it true that AB plus AC is 13? Suppose we have to show that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So for that what we do, we prove this triangle and this triangle congruent. How to prove? Now this is a perpendicular bisector. This will be of 90 degree, this will be of 90 degree. Now in these two triangles, because it's a perpendicular bisector, this side will be equal to this side. This is 90 degree and this is common. So by SAS, these two triangles become congruent, and when they are congruent, then the length of this side and length of this side will be equal. Now we know AD is 13 centimeter because we have constructed one arc from, AB. This is BD, let me write it BD. So BD is 13 centimeter because from B we have cut an arc of 13 centimeter. Now BD we can write as BA plus AD. So that will be 13 centimeter. Now right now when we have proved this triangle congruent to this, so in place of AD we can write AC. So we will get BA plus AC equal to 13 centimeter, and same is given in the condition. So this way we can justify our construction also. Now let me discuss question number 2 of exercise 11.2. Question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is given 8 centimeter, angle B is given 45 degree, and AB minus AC is given 3.5 centimeter. Now in this construction we are given difference of two remaining sides. So there are two type of construction based on this, where the difference of remaining two sides is given and the construction is little bit different. So let me discuss this construction and come to know how to do such construction. Let me make the rough figure of this. So this is if we make A, B, C. Now BC is given 8, this angle is given 45 degree, and we are given the difference of two sides AB minus AC. That is given here 3.5 centimeter. So in such case, when the difference of remaining two sides is given, then how we proceed, let me see this. Now first of all we will draw the line BC of 8 centimeter with the help of scale. So we have taken a scale and we are drawing a line BC 8 centimeter. So this is our BC line, BC 8 centimeter. Now we are given angle B is of 45 degree, and we know that 45 degree can be obtained by bisecting the angle of 90 degree. So let me do that. First of all, let me make a semicircle at point B where the angle has to be constructed. Then first cut, second cut. So we got the arc for 90 degree. So let me join it. This will help in by getting the angle of 45 degree. Now we have obtained the arc of 90 degree. This is our arc of 90 degree, we can see here. This is 90 degree arc. Now we know that for getting the 45 degree we have to bisect 90 degree. And for bisecting any angle, what we do? We see the arc of that angle and we have open our compass more than half of it. So this is the arc of 90 degree and our compass is more than half of this arc. So now keeping at this point, we will make one arc. Keeping at this point, we will make an arc. So we got the cut for 45 degree. Now let me join it. And let me name it at X. Now children, on this arm BX, we have to cut the arc of 3.5 centimeter, which is the difference of remaining two sides. Now here we have to keep in mind that the cutting can be done from B towards upper side and towards lower side. Both the sides we can do the cutting, but which side we have to go for cutting, this is very important to understand. Now see, if you will see, the name of the triangle is ABC and the difference is given AB minus AC, means AB then minus AC. So it is in the cyclic order starting from the A, AB minus AC. So in that case you have to cut an arc towards the upper side of B, means on the upper side of BX. So now we will open our compass 3.5 centimeter. So we have opened our compass 3.5 centimeter. This we have opened. Now keeping at B, we will cut an arc of 3.5 centimeters. So this we have cut. This point we will name as D. Now we will join this D to point C. We are getting DC. Now our next task is to make the perpendicular bisector of this DC. Now we know how to make the perpendicular bisector. We will take our compass more than half, to one up, one down from C. Similarly, from D, we will take one up and one down. So it has cut. Now join this. And when you join this perpendicular bisector, extend it in such a way that it will intersect BX at one point. So we have done this. Now this is the perpendicular bisector and it is intersecting BX at this point. So this point will be the third vertex of the triangle, that is A. Join this A to C. So we got our required triangle ABC. So this is the way how we construct the triangle ABC. Now if we have to check whether our construction is right or not, so see, this DB, can I write like this? Can I write DB like this? AB minus AD? Yes, I can write. So AB minus AD on this side, AB minus AD will give BD, and BD by construction was 3.5 centimeter. Now take these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. Suppose this point is M. Now we can prove triangle AMD AMC congruent. How can we prove this? Now see this, AM is the perpendicular bisector of DC. So it means this side will be equal to this side and this angle will be 90, this angle will be 90 and this side is common. So by SAS, these two triangles will be congruent, and when the triangles are congruent, this AD will be equal to AC by CPCT. AD equal to AC by CPCT. Now in this AB minus AD, we can replace AD by AC. So we will get AB minus AC equal to 3.5, which is given in the question. So this way we can justify our construction also. Children, let me discuss question number 3 of exercise 11.2. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR is 6 cm, angle Q is 60 degree, PR minus PQ is 2 cm. If we draw the rough figure of this triangle PQR, Now QR is given 6 centimeter and we are given the difference of PR and PQ. Now see, in question number 2 we have seen when the difference of two sides was given, we have made a cut on the upper side. Why? Because it was in the cyclic order. But here we are watching that the triangle name is PQR. And here first word P and then R is coming. Means later one alphabet is coming first in the difference and Q is coming later on. There it was ABC. ABC and AB minus AC was given. So it was in the order AB then AC. Now here the order is not there. PR is coming first and Q is coming later on. So in this case what we will do the cutting on the lower side of the difference of the side. So let me discuss this. First of all, let me draw QR 6 centimeter. So with the help of scale we will draw QR 6 centimeter. Now we are given angle Q is 60 degree. So we know how to make 60 degree. We will draw a semicircular arc and the first cut is of 60 degree. So let me make this cut. We have made the cut. Now let me join this. And we will take it back also. We will take it back also and this point suppose is X. Now the difference of two sides is 2 centimeter. So we will open our compass 2 centimeter now. We have opened it 2 centimeter and from Q on the lower side of this arm we will cut arc of 2 centimeter. We have cut this and this point is our D. Now next work is we have to join this D and R. We have joined it. Now as we are doing in other questions, we have to make the perpendicular bisector. Now we will make the perpendicular bisector of this DR. So let me open our compass more than half. So we have taken more than half of DR. This is more than half. So one cut up here, one cut down here. Now from this R point, let me take the cut, this and this. We can take this down further. This is. Now we got the cut. Now let me join this two arc of perpendicular bisector. We have joined. Now we are watching this perpendicular bisector is intersecting this arm at a point, and that point is here. This point. So this point will be the remaining third vertex of our triangle, that is P. So we will name it as P and we will join this P with R with the help of scale. So you can see PQR. So triangle PQR we have constructed and this is our required triangle. Thank you.